Hello dear children, good afternoon. Again I am here, your maths teacher for your online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I hope you all are fine at home and also studying at home. Okay, so are you studying at home? Are you doing homework or not? Yes or no? Some are yes and some are no. Why no? In our previous lecture, I have given you some homework to do. So, have you done the homework? Those 4 questions. Addition on number line, subtraction on number line. The students, those who have done the homework, very good. Clap for yourself. But the students, those who have not done, I will not say you bad, but try to solve the questions that daily I give you. Okay, now next time make sure that you do your homework on time. Okay, so again I am here. So we are doing revision time questions. So question 1, part A and part B already we have done. So today we are going to do question number 2. Okay, so first open your book. So take out your book fast. Is the book in your bag or you are having your book with you? Students, those who are books in their bag, so fast take out your books from the bag and open page number 89 fast, and open your notebooks also. So first write the date. What is the date today? Write here the date. No need to write the topic. Why? Because we are continuing the same topic. So when we are continuing the same topic, we will not write the name of the topic. So we are going to write today question number 2. So first I am going to read second question. What is the second question? Draw beads. Second question is also having 2 parts. Part A and part B. So again we are doing part A and some extra question, and for part B also we are going to do some extra question. Okay, and I will give you some homework questions also. Okay, I hope you are enjoying doing homework. Okay, so the first question is draw beads on the abacus and add. First you have to draw beads on the abacus. Beads are also not drawn on the abacus, so you have to draw the beads on the abacus and then you have to add it. So first write the question. Write question number 2 part A. So first write the question. This question is given on page number 89. If you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from the book also. So first question is draw beads on the abacus and add. Draw beads on the abacus and add. This is the question. Draw beads on the abacus and add. Draw beads on the abacus and add. So the first question, write 1. So 1 is 42 plus 23 is equals to 42 plus 23 is equals to, okay, 42 plus 23 is equals to. So first draw the abacus, because this question is of abacus, so we will draw the abacus. This is the first abacus, T and O, and write the number also. 242. Now place a sign of plus here. Now draw the again second abacus. Again write T and O, and what is the second number? 2, 3, 23. Then put a sign and draw the last abacus, that will be your abacus of getting answer. This is your answer abacus. Okay. So first you also draw these two abacus. This is a sign of addition. Okay, so first place the beads on the abacus. Draw the beads on the abacus. So here number is 2. So draw here 2 beads. Here number is 4. So 4 beads. Here number is 3. So 3 beads. Here number is 2. So 2 beads. Fast. In this way you also draw the beads on the abacus. Now add it. So first add the number of beads at ones place. So here ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place is this and this. So count all the beads at ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 and make here 5 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now add the beads at tens place. So this is tens place and this is also tens place. Now count all the beads at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write here 6 and draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 42 plus 23 is 65. So write here 65. Write fast. I hope all of you have understood how first we draw the beads on the abacus, and after drawing the beads on the abacus we add the beads. First we add the beads at ones place, and total number of beads at ones place we draw that much beads in here ones place. Then we count number of beads at tens place and the total number of beads we draw in this tens place. So the answer of 42 and 23 is 65. Okay. Now one more question we are going to do. Write 2. Two. 56 plus 32, right? 56 plus 32 is equals to. Okay, first write the question. 56 plus 32 is equals to. Now draw the abacus. One abacus for the first number T and O. Then place a sign of plus here. Now draw the second abacus. The second abacus is for the second number, and here the third abacus, and the third abacus is for your answer. Now write the number. What is the first number written here? 5, 6, 56. So write here 56. Here is 32. So write here 32. Draw this fast. First draw the abacus. First draw the abacus, and after drawing the abacus write the numbers 56 and 32. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the beads on the abacus. So now draw the beads on the abacus. Here the number is 5. So draw here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here the number is 6. So draw here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now draw beads on the second abacus. So here number is 3. So draw here 3 beads. Here the number is 2. So write, draw 2 beads. Fast draw the beads. Fast draw the beads. Now we are going to add. So first add the number of beads at ones place. So start counting with me. All the beads drawn at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So write here 8 and draw here 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Understood? Very good. Now count the number of beads at tens place. So start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again answer is 8. So again draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer of 56 plus 32 is 88. So write here 88. Okay, write here 88 and write the homework question here. 1 and 2 already we have done. Third and 4 is your homework. So write the homework question. 72 plus 15 is equals to 72 plus 15 is equals to. This is homework question. And one more homework question. 41 plus 32 is equals to. So these two are homework question which you have to add. First you have to draw the beads on the abacus and after that you have to add the numbers by counting the beads on the abacus. Fast, note it down fast. Then we will do the next question. Note it down fast. Copy the homework question also. Okay students, done. Now the next question. The second question is draw the beads on the abacus and subtract. Question 2b. Write the question. B. Write here B. Draw beads on the abacus and subtract. This is the question. You also write it fast. Note the question fast. Draw beads on the abacus and subtract. The question that is given in your book is, write number 1. 65 minus 32 is equals to. But in your book 3 abacus are drawn. But in subtraction we have done subtraction using abacus. Okay. And in subtraction we draw only one abacus. Subtraction में कितने abacus draw करते हैं हम? Only one. But in your book 3 abacus are drawn. So we will not draw the 3 abacus, we will draw the 1 abacus. So note the question fast, then we will solve it. So first try to understand the question. अभी लिखना नहीं है आपको, पहले आप समझेंगे कि how we are doing subtraction using abacus. आपको आता है लेकिन फिर भी आप एक बार समझेंगे. So first we will draw 1 abacus for the only first number. Only first number we will draw the beads on the abacus for only first number, and we will draw only 1 abacus. So 1 abacus we have drawn. So what is the number? 65. Wait students. Okay. So 65, write T for tens, O for ones, and write this number 65 here. So according to this given number, draw the beads on the abacus. 6 numbers, so 6 beads, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once again I am drawing the beads. So 6 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here the number 5. So draw here 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to subtract. The number that we are subtracting here is 32. So ones place digit is 2. So cross 2 beads from ones place, and here tens place digit is 3. So cross 3 beads from the tens. So 1, 2, 3. Now count the remaining beads. So first count the remaining beads at ones place. So 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. And again count the number of remaining beads at tens place. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3, 33. This is the first question. Write fast. Now the second question, this question is again not given in our book, so this is extra question, right? Eighty-three minus 22 is equals to 83 minus 22 is equals to. Write fast. And in this question also we will draw only 1 abacus. So here I am drawing 1 abacus. Writing the first number, first we will write tens and ones. Now the first number is 83, so write this number here. And according to this number, draw the beads on the abacus. So here first number is 3, so draw 3 beads. And here the number is 8, so draw here 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Fast. Now for the number we are subtracting, we cross the number of beads. Okay. So here the number is 22. So first we will cross number of beads at ones place. So here ones place digit is 2. So 2 we cross 2 beads at ones place, and tens place digit is 2 again. So we cross 2 beads at tens place also. Now count the remaining number of beads. So first we will count the remaining number of beads at ones place. So only 1. So write here 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer of 83 minus 22 is 61. Write fast. Now I am going to give you some homework question also. First you note down this fast, then we will do homework question. Now write the homework question. 2 questions already we have done. 3 and 4 question for homework. So note down the homework question. -25 is equals to 37 minus 25 is equals to 49 minus 14 is equals to. So these two are the homework question that you have. Sorry, I think it is not visible for you. So I am writing the homework question again here. I am writing the homework question here again. Okay. Homework question 3 is 37 minus 25 is equals to, and the fourth question is 49 minus 14 is equals to. So these two are the homework question, and you have to solve these two questions. First drawing the beads on the abacus and by subtracting it. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood more clearly how we perform addition and subtraction using abacus. So I stop my lecture here. Again we will continue the same topic revision time in our next lecture. So have a nice day. Good day students.